Hello everyone! In today's quick tutorial, we're going to go over how to install Notepad++ on Windows 11. Notepad++ is a powerful free text editor that's great for coding, scripting, or even simple note-taking. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Notepad++ website. You can find it by typing notepad-++.org into the search bar, or simply search for Notepad++ download on your preferred search engine. Make sure to go to the official site to avoid any unwanted software. Once on the Notepad++ homepage, look for the Download section. Here, you'll see several versions of Notepad++. It's recommended to choose the latest stable version to ensure you're getting the most up-to-date features and fixes. Click on the version you'd like to download. This will bring you to a page with different download options, such as a 32-bit and a 64-bit installer. If you're using Windows 11, you'll likely need the 64-bit version, but it's always good to double-check. Once you know which one to download, click on the Installer link next to the version you want. After the installer has downloaded, go to your Downloads folder or where the file was saved and double-click on the installer to open it. If a User Account Control (UAC) prompt appears, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. Now you'll see the Notepad++ setup wizard. Click Next to proceed. Then you'll see the license agreement. Just click I agree to continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose an installation location. The default location is usually fine, so you can click Next here as well. On the following screen, you'll see some additional components that you can choose to install. By default, all the necessary components are selected, so you can leave them as they are and click Next. Then click Install to begin the installation process. This might take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, make sure the box next to Run Notepad++ is checked and then click Finish. Notepad++ will open and you're ready to start using it for your coding or text editing tasks. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. It supports the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.